In the retro future of 1998, Sydney3 is controlled by Goliath and the militarized police that enforces the corporation's control. Deep in the lower levels, a parasitic threat is growing and the people of the city are in danger of being overwhelmed. The only one who can save the city is Chloe, a young detective from the S3PF who has become the unwilling host to a parasitic gauntlet that allows her to summon the power of Samurai Unicorn. G'day, I'm Jordan from It's Got Stealth, and this is the start of our development series for the Samurai Unicorn demo. In this episode, I want to introduce you to the game we've been working on and create a little roadmap of what to expect for future installments of the series. But first, what kind of game are we actually making? Samurai Unicorn is a third-person action game that puts players in control of Chloe as she uses both her skills as an S3PF detective and her newly acquired unicorn abilities to battle the Dream Eater threat spreading throughout the city. Chloe will receive story missions that take her to iconic Sydney3 locations that have been overrun by vermin. These areas will feel like an action horror experience that focuses on carefully exploring the environment to progress and using tactical gunplay to take down highly reactive enemies efficiently. At the heart of each location is a Dream Eater boss that can only be defeated by using the power of Samurai Unicorn. Transform and take on each of these climactic duels by using the parry-based melee system to learn the boss's unique moveset and overcome the challenge. Between missions, Chloe will need to explore intimately crafted NPC hubs where she'll learn more about the people of the city and find out what she's really fighting for. These areas will be densely curated experiences, hiding many secrets and hosting an eclectic group of characters with their own stories to tell. Right now our goal is to create a demo that takes players through the full opening mission inside the abandoned Goliath offices. This will eventually be released as a public demo on our Steam page, but until then we'll be releasing smaller demos to our patrons as a series of updates that focus on the three main types of combat that players will experience in the game. In the first demo, Chloe and her partner Gabe arrive at the abandoned Goliath offices in search of something that will incriminate the mega corporation. They split up and both of the detectives quickly find themselves in dangerous situations as the vermin infestation is revealed. Players will have to master Chloe's handgun and shotgun if they want to survive against the two types of vermin hiding in the claustrophobic office spaces. In the second update, players will be introduced to Unicorn and the melee abilities he brings to Chloe's arsenal. After a short tutorial encounter that demonstrates how the melee system works, players will need to venture deeper into the basements in hopes of finding Gabe before something bad happens to him. In the final update, Chloe will find Gabe in the clutches of a Dream Eater and must battle the monster in order to save her partner. The only way to survive an attack from a Dream Eater is to kill them first, so players will have to put their practice with the unicorn abilities to the test and defend themselves against their most dangerous opponent yet. If you'd like to get access to the Patreon demo and future updates, you can support us on any of our 3 tiers and jump in right now. For fans of physical merch, we have a monthly sticker club featuring designs by our concept artist Ridge, as well as a limited run of our first t-shirt designs. In the meantime, wishlist Samurai Unicorn on Steam, it really helps us out. So that's our current plan for the demo, but what about the rest of this series? In the next episode, we'll start by showing you how we designed Chloe as well as the basic player controls that brought her to life. But we don't want to stop there. We want to be as candid as possible about our work for the demo, and if you feel like we gloss over something or you want to know about more specific parts of the game, we want to hear from you. Until then, thanks for watching and keep an eye out for the next episode.